Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Good morning to all my viewers and subscribers on the voice of Bedmiller. Yeah, yeah, man. We come to burn some. Me come to burn some sea was fire this morning, you know. In a seat, a park again, you know. In a seat, Palm Park playground again, you know. Yeah, man. But before me start burn my fire, in a seat, I make, in a seat, I make you know here. Soko. We go make you know hear the speech of Soko. Soko make one voice note in send in Sister Bernie and Sister Bernie send it to me. Me play the same voice note here at Soko. At Soko. The thing they give Soko, you know. Soko, memorial, you know. At Soko memorial. Me play the voice note the day after the Soko. After everybody get the speech, everything is done. Because I want to go play the voice. To play all the Soko voice note, you know. But just me shy. I'm just shy you because I don't know if I true. Mr. Man is not an eloquent speaker, so I can't address the public when I speak. But you know nobody will speak on behalf of myself, I don't make in a seat. I don't make that stop me. But you want eloquent speaker, you want intelligent and educated youth, a past student at a Baruch school, a past student at William the Bay school. He knows to play football regular, he loves sports. You understand me? Although he never play no Dakar Cup, but he loves sports. You know see it. I hear so Soko so up and down. Yeah man. So I'm gonna make you hear Soko voice note. Come in and talk long. When we play Soko voice note, yeah man, we start burn some fire. Burn some fire from Parkfield again and burn some fire from Falmouth United. Yeah. Yes, Iyah. So here's Soko now. Here's Soko now. Yeah.
Wow. What a video. I don't see the third one yet. I see the one with him when him get emotional. You could hear the emotion is in his voice. You can hear same care. If he had the money like some rich people, oh my God, he would have take care right. Because his heart lies in Falmouth. The money, Mr. Bed look like he would never ever live in nowhere else in our world. Honestly. I just Falmouth in love and he must try his best. I don't care what anybody says. It's okay to get emotional. When you get emotional about something, it shows that you care. And you really care about Barry School. I mean, look on it. I don't care like him. I'm gonna be honest with you, and I'm not sure if you care like him. I don't care like him, but I'm concerned. I'm concerned about the state of the nation. I'm concerned about the state of my town. If you have the now generation, their focus should be on learning, playing, overall having fun. And then if you don't have that for them, what them have? What them have? The youth them can't play? Oh my God. A foreign country, they emphasize parks, they emphasize playing. They will spend millions to ensure it's a picnic play. They will spend millions on schools, they spend millions on whole of things just for kids. Because they rate kids. We can't say we rate kids unless we provide for them. We can't say we rate them if we're not ensuring that the next generation will grow up to be productive. Being productive does not mean that you pass 10, 15 subjects and you go to university and you turn doctor or lawyer or whatever, engineer or where you turn. Being productive means that you get a chance like other kids in other countries to explore the options that you have, even if the options are limited. Even if they are limited. As a kid, you decide, say, I want to be something, I want to be somebody, I'm a happy kid. Happy kids become productive kids. It's a fact. And these kids can't happy if they don't scoop up in their house every day. Park look awful, man. Sometimes you see some pictures of park, we can't believe I park that. And the last time we go to Jamaica and go down there, it's awful. They have to do better, man, but they must spend more money on by-election and they sit there. I foolishness with you, Mr. Bed. I foolishness them about yeah, Mr. Bed. But by-election for 25 million and they can't take care. They can't bush one something. Park really needs to be addressed. It needs to be addressed. I know that's bush. No, they need to. No, money needs to spend on that. That piece of land should be a top class complex.
Yeah, man. See what Suku say? Yeah, man, I'm back off you now. This is Suku's speech. Yeah, man, Suku. Yeah, man. The man cover the thing in one nutshell. In a seat. You know, if you have 10 something there. 10, 15 subjects. Yeah, man, to be successful. Yeah, man. You know, if you have that. So could touch upon it in a seat. Yeah, man. The kids them be happy. The kids them have playground. Yeah. And what Suku say? In closing remarks say. I'm back off now. And took up my first love. See, my first love, you know, man. Football is my first love, you know. Football is my first love. And sports and all. So I took up my first love. In the seat. And start burn some fire now. You know, because Suku say park, yes sir. Should be a top class sports complex. And the man will reason why I say so. You know, see, that's what I say. That's why I say me not going on day sports over Alan today. Because I did TJ yesterday, you know, a compound, you know. Because the content I make yesterday, you know, a TJ allow me send it to you know. I don't say the content to nobody else, you know. TJ allow me send me content to you know. The one I make video the youth, they cut all, they cut the field, you know. Yesterday my video, Ever and Goal and Geddes. I do them works. A TJ allow me send it to you know. I tell TJ say me now come on day sports, you know. Me I stick to my word, you know. And TJ say you see it. And TJ laugh and say no, say me I come. And go so me I say. You see it. Because when I pass remarks, say me now go now, me now support Falmouth United that play at a stadium. I chill on the multi-purpose stadium. And I take my talk. And I support them at play at a chill on the multi-purpose stadium. I put everything in one nutshell right now. I say me go certain things, I go stand for my words nowadays. I not be no flip-flop. Like how Brenton in one chat group in sports and lifestyle, man say boy me a flip-flop. I thought this and I thought that and I'm no mean what me I say. So I big up all the sports and lifestyle crew them. Remember them. Tony the founder, and Boomball, Mr. Hall, Jonathan, Woodway. You know, see it, Sanjay, Blacker, Sister Andreen, Taya. You know, see it. Yeah, man, lady Zoe overseas. Yeah, man. If we forgot Seabird, you know, see it. I don't forget no man better, but if we forget a man of us, you know, the mind stay more time. Sports and lifestyle have more me into the person from his right now. So we now stop bonfire, I pay 5 bun for sports and life in a sports and lifestyle, you know, man. Because I'm the only man in a sports and lifestyle in a 2020, you know. Never take a thing there, you know. Big up yourself, soldier. Big up yourself, soldier. A sports and lifestyle have molded me into the man of me right now. Because you have politics talking there and football talking there. Yeah, man. So sports and lifestyle, I mean, I've been on flip-flop. I'm not going to no DA sports. I don't talk no, I go half from the beach, go build back, and go back and watch Champs on TV. All of the Western school, they're not going nothing at all, they're not going nothing. Up here, Kingston and St. Andrews school dominate Western Champs. They dominate Champs. Here, Kingston and St. Andrews school, them, the KC, the Calabar, and the JC, because they pick their own, them athlete they run pan synthetic track. KC have them synthetic track, Calabar have the same way, and JC have the same way. You know, see it? And most of the schools them in a one St. Catherine, they can run when they want they can go GC first a track go run pan. Down the people them down in the Western Jamaica, no official running track. That's why William Nib last and States last. All the schools in Western Jamaica last. In a champs right now. Because they not do no development and nothing for the schools in Western Jamaica. I'm going to go back to my argument right now. You know, see it? That's when I stop on fire, brother. This a place here, park. This should be one official sports complex. Top class sports complex. One top class nursery sports complex for the youth of Falmouth and Trelawney. In a seat. On a wide scale. Park shouldn't stay so. Park in one disgraceful condition and center in one disgraceful condition same way. That's why we stop gas center in a brother. The last time I got center because Falmouth tonight when they play one knockout match. I go over there. You know see it? Yeah man. Because when TJ tell me yesterday say they want to try use because DA Sports today, man. Because the time is so overcast and gloomy. It's a gloomy day. When you come on to sport in a Trelawney and Falmouth, it's gloomy, it's not bright. Because I struggle, I have to struggle to keep the DA Sports today because they don't have no venue. They don't know if you keep it. And yesterday, Mr. TJ and Bobby go mark out over Holland. And TJ say he try to get center because from tonight he not use it for the levels. And when the man try, I not tell you why they not use center. I go talk why they not use over center. Because of the bathroom facilities, the connection over there. You can't use. So Brenton, all of them over there, they not talk to the center, brother. You understand me? When Kim and the mall, when they run the place, the bathroom facilities, them and everything, both inside and outside, all right. You understand me? That's why I burn fire upon Brenton, you know. You Brenton Rodney. You Brenton Rodney, I burn fire upon you, brother. Yeah. Because I'm like, oh no, low Gager. Oh no, low, Mr. I want to low Gager, you know. We build drop-in center, you know. And build shelter for the homeless, you know. I know Gager want to build fowl farm over there, you know, per center, you know. I mean tell you, Brenton, you know, I tell you such about the argument, you know. And you claim that nothing can go so. Because fowl farm can't build beside the police station. And can build beside the infirmary. Because when the fall start shit up and so forth, you go stink up the place. I tell you about it, and you not take no action, you know. You're going to see a lie when they tell. And when we go back, go find the article and put it all over my page so you can see it. When Falmouth chickens, they take a presentation to Mr. Gager. And Gager keep him 5K walk and in 10K, 5 and 10K walk and raising money. When Falmouth chickens are a platinum sponsor. We build full farm and center. We tell about it in Brenton. You know, see it. And you know, galvanize the people them, and galvanize the support of them and demonstrate about it. No, you know do that. But because Tova going to some gears, I told Tova going to gears, you know. That's all I do, you know, beg Tova this and run to Tova for that. That's why when you Brenton, when you come tell me about part of the land of the parish council. Yeah man, from the cell tower to where the dropping center bill of the parish council. Brenton, if we go away, and even if the land belongs to the parish council, you can't build something there. Place the homeless and fowl farm in a seat. In a seat. Near a sports complex. Because Desmond Mackenzie can't do them thing there at Tivoli. Me not nothing against place the homeless, you know, but you can't build it on a youth center. That's what I talk about. And Brenton, for your speech, I talk about it. If Falmouth United reach Premier League, you know what you stadium. I'm not supporting them thing neither. Falmouth United, if you play the matches at Elixton Waitland Youth Centre. Elixton Waitland Youth Centre for our sports complex in honor of Pekebon. Because Brenton, stop call Pekebon name in your mouth. Don't call Pekebon name in your mouth, brother. Don't call Pekebon name in your mouth. Because if you didn't know what Pekebon do for sports in a Chilani and Baltimore in the Monday, do for sports in a Chilani. You know, see it. When I get up and demonstrate and fight for center, no youth can watch no sports a center again. Because center one disgraceful condition. I'm not boy any more much Falmouth. Me not support Falmouth United until one time center had them homegrown. When the now get me out, so nobody call me and tell me about no match there with Falmouth United at stadium. Anytime I got stadium, Children's Multiple Stadium, I have to watch D-Cup interzone matches them. And that's it. Yes. And if D-Cup finally go play the you see it. I hear a little game I go play there. But not watching Falmouth United play their home games at stadium. At Children's Multiple Stadium. A center if it start out. Center if you fight for center. Kimani Mali soft. Kimani Mali soft, you know, brother. Kimani Mali, can you remember when Bumpy used to carry the center? Every time you got center, you football with you. And you come and try your thing, you know. You come here, try your thing, and you just back out, and you just give up. You know, fight for the youths, them. Children live what them learn. When Bumpy went small, Bumpy said, you see, yeah, man, I play football over center. Bumpy said, kick up in their mother belly, and while one come up, you come play ball. And my God, man, I want you from center to play football. I want you from compound, you know. Bumpy's live a compound, you know. I not even know that. And my sister in Christine tell me, say, Bumpy's live a compound, Bumpy's live. And I say, run down Christine, I said, no, my Bumpy live on Corner Street. And Christine said, no, because his grandmother tell him, say, I don't the Bumpy them start out from. Miss Edna tell them. That's why compound, it's a compound to remain right there. Compound, if we move out of Falmouth, compound if we upgrade in a certain levels. Because compound have a strong history. And the first housing scheme in a Falmouth, what she will give the people them, the house them. That's why Center need to upgrade. Because back in the days, village get the name for a compound. Because when I got a village, a compound I go. So Center need for a sports complex need to drop down there so. Yes. That's why the people them, because if Falmouth United play well and Falmouth United are do well, are do good, none of the vendors them can something there. Can benefit our fight. The shops them are, look how much food cook shop that compound now. You have Crystal and you have Kimmy. You have Kimmy you have Crystal and Kimmy. You have Sydney them shop. Yeah man, covering them shop same way. Gonna benefit our fight. Shanty now cook no food again, but Shanty shop the same gonna benefit our fight. I have enough vendors to set up outside on the road and make their money. Spring and push don't care again, but Shorty gonna ride come with the ice cream. As BA Sports up keep today, Shorty gonna come and go make him money. No sports now keeping a farm out here again. Because of uno sell out, afraid to lose work and all them, they can't speak out. Because afraid of losing the work and uno sell out. Like how Brenton him sell out. Because Tova the game go no free gears. Tova sponsor no gears, so they don't speak out against Tova. And then I'm burn fire upon Gager. Uno afraid of Gager, uno don't demonstrate. You don't need to demonstrate out of the thing there. And keep on the man if you come and speak. And stop being like him a coward. I not send this to nobody, you know. You go pose it on the voice of Bed Miller. We got 19 minutes. So I now flip-flop. You know see it? Me not supporting Falmouth United playing them home game at the Children Multipurpose Stadium. When we go watch Duncan's United, I no problem to me. Because probably when time Duncan's United and Falmouth United go play again, at Duncan's United home match. So I'm going to go up there. But me not watch no home match at Falmouth United at Children Multipurpose Stadium again. Because I sent them one disgraceful condition. TJ, you shouldn't tell me that yesterday. You shouldn't tell me that. I mean, I speak the truth. Falmouth youth center one disgraceful condition, same right now. I'm going to football in Brenton, I'm going to train on the field. That's why I say Falmouth United, only if you pack up on the royalty jar and come off a Gager land, brother. Falmouth United, if you come off a Gager property. Because you're a fool, you're not soft. Yes, such man. I wouldn't respond for center in a certain level. I want to do. What do? Eh? I'm going to speak my mind, brother. We wish you all the best, you know. We wish you all the best. But you don't need to go away. Because no sports don't play for again. No sports don't play about that. You don't watch no sports. And because of I watching sports, I get football scholarship the whole away. Look how Park stay. Look how Center stay. And Tova the talk about in a state from the film town. Eh? They're going to take right now big ship in the harbour right now. Ship in the harbour right there now. Big ship out there now. And nothing now trickle back to the people of Falmouth. Nothing in there now benefit not at all. Look how they see it. You see the man in ball of them. The man is cut out of them and play them football. I mean, you can't blame the man them. The man want to play them Sunday morning ball and cut out of them and play pan. And they come chat in a bag of crap. You know, see it? That's why TJ, oh, me now come up to Ireland. Me go and sit down and watch Shams pan TV. All boy pay disappointment. Because last night, boy, me sit down whole day and whole night to go to see Mattison in the 400 final to Royalty Jar. I mean, say Mattison I won, boy, me almost cry. Me say Mattison I won the 400 final. But it's most for a reason. Kind of easy, you know, brother. Track and field easy, you know. If you stay up on top of your game, you know. If you keep free from injury, you know. Because most injury when Mattison won last night, you know. And big up in the school youth, they were win the 1500. And they are semi-final in the 800. Me know the local youth there. Because last year a Western champion States. We take some picture with him. Till other day see me and over school and ask me what the pictures of them. Because I go try my best now to start take picture again. For the student athlete them. I go organize my thing, you know. Because I do more video again. I cool up on the video sometime. And just take some picture. Yeah man, for the youths them. It's gonna come out, I'm see if it yeah man, it thing in a chip out. But I go sign off now. I go sign off now because as I say, my content now go past half an hour. Now pass half an hour. So as I say, a yesterday sports, because TJ say in keep here so I must have won 2 years ago. You see it. And over here did warm up. A yesterday sport to keep. Every sports for the kids them. Like all the preschool, the infant school and the prep school them. Like I say day, I'm going one prep school they are done so. And if man will success, if they want to come keep them sports done so, I just say them keep the primary, the infant and the preschool place them. A playground for the kids them. You should have set up to be a playground for the kids them. Who don't pan down for you so. They don't care gene and no enclosed environment. Yes, so free them can run up and down. Bandstand we set up back properly. Because they set bandstand for tourists and on tourists don't got bandstand. Yeah man, them neglect it. You know see, they cut the basketball court out of there and because them lose election, them they not pay no mind. Tova and Gager, and if you left out a farm up better. And such one, because Tova the sponsor your gives. That's why you take up for them people. All the one that run up and down behind Tova and beg Tova this and beg Tova that. When if you develop, if you don't get the place, stand up for center and stand up with Kimani Mali. We know right now, when I get more support and things that trickle back to the people of Falmouth, and no vendor your family want to come gather outside and make their money. The whole compound people with a benefit upon a certain levels. Such money, if you go away, Brenton, if you go away, and nobody don't call me again, you know. But in a match I stadium, you know. When you start already, you know. So that we finish it, you know. But in the meantime, prepare to bring back Falmouth United back at the Elixton Wakeland Youth Centre. He honor have man like Seji in a seat, Beer Boy in a seat, Jim C. Not all who dead, you know. In a seat, File in a seat, Pecky Brown. Falmouth United, and if you go away, Kimani Mali, you're too soft. And if you can speak out, because you talk to me, and man a part of Falmouth United tell me. You tell me certain things, you know. Because I'm here for the man, you know. Man who around Falmouth United, you know, tell me to have your blueprint and you want to build a sports complex in a seat. And Gager, you know, Goweh. Desmond Marquez, they know Goweh. In a seat. But if you come, because man and man will plan to have a 100-man march and gather and protest. Kimani man, you're too soft, brother. You need to sure. You're too soft. Kimani man, you're soft. I'm not give a damn anymore, brother. I don't believe what anybody wants to say. You know see it? Yeah, man. Kimani man, you're soft. Because God, Mr. God tell me say, him see your plan. Mr. God will tell me say, him see your plan where you have to build a sports complex. I know you can't come out and talk about it. Like a boat come talk about the money. When TJ tell me yesterday, say try to get to keep the sports center today. And because of the bathroom facilities, you can't keep it. Brenton, well if you pack up and come over center, brother. Because back in the 70s, back in the days when Mr. Jackson, man, they take care of center. It's a shame and disgrace, man, youth. In the 70s, center well alright. Man, I take care of center. When mom want to see my father, and G father, they must protect center and take care of center. And now, Falmouth United, Brenton and Falmouth United, when you come over center, brother, and go train up at the multi-purpose stadium. And there you go train. And brethren, you don't call me again, don't call me because you don't call me because I don't cover no match again. Esco, I done with Falmouth United, brother. I mean, I flip-flop bandits over now. Anytime I got train on the multi-purpose stadium, I went League Cup start again. I'm probably the Major League final over there. Here we go. But now I'm going to no match with Falmouth United. I chill on the multiple. A matter of fact, I say I go take things. I go easy. I want to sit down and watch some football right now. Like when I hear Twinkle about them come and more and say, boy, now sit down and watch some football. And that I want to do. But I go back to chill on the multiple stadium again. Go watch Falmouth United play. No match. Until when time them center fix up. Because park will be the nursery and center will be the when they left from park, then got center. Go play the village and all them. If you want to play the village, who don't want to play for? If you want to play for Falmouth United, they have them choice can play for Falmouth United, they can play for can play for any other side. Just should be the nursery to centre and to the trial multi-purpose stadium when they can play them Premier League final and them D Cup final and all them sitting there. And he can win a Western champs and all them sitting there. As to trial multi-purpose stadium is set up. Tomorrow we will talk about Michael Johnson. We want to talk about Michael Johnson and the Grand Slam thing. What we do for Jamaica. Tomorrow if you say the track when you see right in our stadium and Michael Johnson them make it look so. Not the government of Jamaica. Now Michael Johnson them are spending money. Michael Johnson film Grand Slam track meet when go have. He started Jamaica because of reason. Because I'm not close by saying, you know. I'm not close by saying because I watch an interview with Michael Johnson. Michael Johnson say, you shall never find the next Usain Bolt. You're not going to find the next Usain Bolt. You hear me? One love. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. And big up all who support me thing. Yeah, man. Big up the sports and lifestyle crew. I want to mold me to be the man me is today. I'm in a flip-flop business. You understand me? Me boycott DA Sports today. And I go boycott Falmouth United playing in home games at the Trinity Multi-Purpose Stadium. You know see it? Yeah man, so one love. And big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Yeah man. Michael Mali Pitney. I try down now, you hear me? Beach me that go right now. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah.